Check out this 2011 Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this 1500 as having one owner. This 1500 has just under 21,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 26Z Bighorn Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, 5-speed automatic transmission, 5.7L Hemi Multi-Displacement VVT engine, Mopar Chrome Tubular Side Steps, Mineral Grade Metallic, Media Center 430N, Dark Slate Medium Greystone, Cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, Park View rear backup camera and the spray and bed liner. Call 877-705-4252 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.